Hey everyone, and welcome to my portion of our presentation. We are doing our condition presentation on eating disorders, and we'll be covering anorexia, bulimia, and binge eating. My name is Ben Kane. I will be doing the intro. Liz Hoffman will be doing the anorexia portion. Riley Meyer will be doing the bulimia portion, and Jeffrey Puckett will be doing the binge eating portion of our presentation. So just a quick introduction. In the PowerPoint, we'll be educating you on the three eating disorders that I mentioned earlier: bulimia, binge eating, and anorexia. This will include details about the diagnoses, symptoms, criteria, and other information about these eating disorders. And this is from the DSM-5, page 329. Feeding and eating disorders are characterized by a persistent disturbance of eating or eating-related behavior that results in altered consumption or absorption of food, and that significantly impairs the physical health or psychosocial functioning of an individual. Just as a quick overview of the eating disorders, there are several eating disorders, with the list including pica, rumination disorder, avoidant restrictive food intake disorder, anorexia nervosa, bulimia nervosa, and binge eating disorder. Uh, Due to the unique nature of eating disorders, particularly focusing on the treatments, effects, and the clinical diagnostic process, only one eating disorder can be diagnosed during or after an episode. Pica is the lone exception, as it is diagnosed alongside, or it can be diagnosed alongside any of the other disorders. Again, this is from the DSM-5. Lastly, be sure to check out these two condition-related videos. The first features Renee Host, a clinical psychologist, discussing how eating disorders affect children's minds. And then the second is a video featuring Gabrielle Gurney breaking down stereotypes about eating disorders and the mental health implications of eating disorders. We also have three website sources somewhat about life living with these disorders. There's one from a mother who lost her daughter to struggle with bulimia, an advice column kind of about living with binge eating disorder, and another article about a young woman who lived through anorexia. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy our presentation.